I'm Ralys, and today I will show you how to do a deep skin cleanse treatment. I will show you all the products and all the steps to complete the deep skin cleanse treatment at home. See, you don't have to have a excessively oily, congested, or acneic skin to need a deep cleanse. We live in a city. We are exposed to pollution. Our body is detoxified through the skin. So everyone should do a deep skin cleanse from time to time. Well, if you have acneic skin, you might need to do it weekly. If you have more sensitive and more delicate skin, you might only need to do it every other week or even just once a month. So let's start. In this deep skin cleanse treatment, I will be using two cleansers, gentle quinoa and papaya cleanser with charcoal cleanser, few pumps of each. For exfoliation, I will be using enzyme refresher, and I will keep that on the skin for a few minutes. For the mask, for the first mask, I will use volcanic lava clay mask mixed with premium balance. The reason why I sell this mask in a powder form is that the main ingredient is a Russell clay, another name for the volcanic lava clay. And as it's mixing with the liquid, it mixes and infuses with other ingredients, wonderful ingredients in that mask, such as reishi mushroom, aloe vera, dandelion root, neem leaf, and calendula, and delivers the maximum results. You don't want to miss it out when these ingredients are mixing in and deactivates over time, in the jar. So that's why I want you to mix that mask yourself right before the use. As wonderful as the clay mask is, and it helps to deeply detoxify and cleanse the pores, it is drying. So I always follow with a hydrating moisturizing mask, which in this case we will use oxygenating adaptogenic mask. Just excellent for absolutely every skin type, every skin behavior. And that is going to be all that's going to be needing in this treatment. After we wash off the last mask, we will follow with the finishing products. Oxygen plasma, a Hydra nourishing gel, peptide firming cream, and firming eye cream. So let's do it. Okay, let's get to it. Let's do the deep skin cleanse treatment. I'm gonna take a few pumps of each, the gentle quinoa papaya cleanser and charcoal cleanser. Few pumps each. Few drops of water. And I'm gonna massage well into my skin. Always remember to include your neck and your décolleté in your facials. Your skin will appreciate that later. I will take a microfiber towel and wash off my skin. Now that my skin is nice and clean, it's time to exfoliate. Enzyme refresher. I will take about a teaspoon and will apply all over my skin. Again, neck and décolleté shouldn't be forgotten. Now, while these enzymes are doing its magic on the skin, I will prepare my volcanic lava clay mask. I'm gonna mix it and get ready to apply. So I need a small bowl and a teaspoon. This is a small dessert teaspoon, so I will be taking a full heaping teaspoon of the mask. If you're using regular teaspoon, you may only need half of it. So put it in a bowl and take the toner. I chose premium balanced toner because in that toner I have put in organic aloe vera juice, which brings in ingredients deeper than the water would, and also organic witch hazel works as a wonderful natural astringent and antibacterial. Oh, I can already feel my enzymes tingling a little bit on my skin. And also there's neroli essential oil, which is great ingredient to help skin rejuvenation, to help scars, to diminish scars and darker spots. So I'm gonna be spritzing this premium balanced toner into the mask and see what the consistency is. No, I need some more. You want that consistency to be like a thick yogurt. So it's not runny, but it's nice and creamy and it's easy to apply. A little bit more. Alright, we got it perfect. Now I will apply this mask onto my skin. And if you paid attention, actually I forgot to mention, I did not wash off the enzyme refresher off my skin. I left it underneath the mask. That is part of the magic of the deep skin cleanse in this treatment. Alright, we're all done. Now we need a few minutes for the mask to settle, to set into the skin, to perform that deep cleanse. So I always like multitasking. You know, I apply the mask or apply the exfoliant or something, or a hair mask, and I go do my things at home. I read my emails, I write my blog, I watch TV sometimes, or I read a book. So today I would like to read a book for you. I picked up this book on the last trip to Portland, Oregon. And sometimes what I do, well, this is a wonderful book, by the way, Awaken Every Day. And it contains 365 pages of inspiration. And what I do with that, I just flip and I open randomly somewhere and read and see what that day wants to tell me, what the message is brought to me. So today I did the same thing before I started filming this video, and it opened on the page Grief. How interesting is that? And it's relevant. I believe this is the message for us today. Grief is adjusting to a change that we didn't want. We expected our life to unfold one way, and either the causes for that were absent or an unexpected event occurred. Our grief is not for the past. The past is over. It is also not for the present, which is happening this instant. We're grieving for an idea that we held about the future that will now not come. We're grieving for a future, something that hasn't happened yet, that now won't happen. That just reminds us again how having these big goals and big visions about the future, sometimes, if we're very, very set in just one way how we want our future to look, can be not so positive, because we may not see the big picture, the bigger future. And we might miss what other beautiful things were meant to happen. So surrendering into the changes is healthy. And I know it's kind of difficult to look at me, to take me seriously right now because I'm in this facial mask, but try not to laugh or laugh. All right. So I believe, oh yes, my mask already set. So we're good to go to remove the mask now. So I recommend rolling it off. And if it got too dry, then you spray the toner or you dampen your fingertips a little bit and roll. So it's your mask is rolling off. Because you don't want to just wash it off with the towel. You're going to lose the benefit of pulling out these impurities from in between the cells. Okay, and now we can finish cleansing with the towel. It is time for the second mask, as I mentioned before. Now we're gonna nourish that deeply, deeply cleansed skin. We will nourish with oxygenating ingredients and adaptogenic ingredients. And it's deeply hydrating and moisturizing. Did I say that already? Yes, I did. But I'm very excited about this mask because there's no kind of skin that would not benefit. No matter what the skin condition is or skin type is, it's beneficial. It's beneficial to repair the skin, to keep it hydrated, healthy, especially good for those with rosacea or eczema. You could sleep, if you did that treatment at night, you can sleep with that mask, like right now you would be done. Okay, so we will let it settle, and again we are doing our magic on the hands as well. We're not wasting any good product, right? So I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes on my skin. Okay, so a few minutes passed and we can remove this mask by rolling it off. Again, you want those magical ingredients to be massaged into your skin. And now we can remove the rest of it with the towel. Oh, it feels so fresh and so clean. It's a very good feeling. Alright, it's time to apply our finishing products oxygen plasma. I'm just gonna spray directly on the skin. Wonderful. I'm gonna take about 5 pumps of the hydronourishing gel and massage in. Next is a peptide firming cream. I took about pea size. By the way, this is also infused with natural essential oil, so it smells divine. And the last product is firming eye cream. Small amount goes a long way. We will massage, tap a little bit, all the area that we're gonna be massaging the product in, and just in light circular movements, we go towards the inner side, on the temples a little bit, and on the upper lid. And this is it. We're done. I'm telling you, my skin feels so refreshed. It feels like I just came back from a spa, from a wonderful treatment at a spa. Well, let me know how you liked it after you did the treatment. Let me know if you need any more guidance and if you have questions for your specific skin type or skin behavior. We can adjust the treatment products if needed. So let me know. You can email me at drskinhealth@gmail.com. You can also find me through the website www.drskinhealth.com or radiancewellnessspa.com. Okay, until next time, have a beautiful day. Sending you love and light.